Z. Back to the block, Snoop Doggy Dogg, Funky is the doc. Went solo on that ass, but it's still the same. Long Beach is the spot where I serve my cane. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, but you bet not slip, cause 9 tris ain't the years there for me to blizz out my grip. So I ain't holding nothing back, and once again I got 5 on the 20 sack. It's like that, and as a matter of fact, cause I never hesitate to put a fool on his back.
Yeah, so keep out the manuscript. You see that it's a must, we drop gangsta.
Hold up, what's my name? Yeah, yeah. It's the bound to the wild, creeping and crawling, Yiggy yes yolin', Snoop Doggy Dogg in the house with the pound like every day, and I'm right back up in you with Dr. Dre, and like I said, none of y'all can get with this, and none of y'all can get with that hit I just dropped, cause you know it don't stop. Mr. 187 on the undercover cop, tick-tock, now by the clock, just some nuts in the cop. Rob you for your ears, then I kill you blood clocks, and I step through the fog and I creep through the small, cause I'm Snoop Doggy, Doggy, Doggy. Just throw your hands way up in the air and wave them all around like you just don't care. Yeah, roll up the dank and pour the drink and watch your stank. Cause Doggy's on the gank. My bankroll's on swole. I'm still on hit legit, now I'm on parole. Stroll with the dog pound right behind me and rolling with my. That's where you might find me flinging that G thing. She want the G with the biggest sack. And who's that? He is I and I am him, slim with the tilted brim.
What's your name, fool?